YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and a lot of creators prefer to be on this space because there is a lot of money to be made. There is a lot of community that you can meet and you can create on this platform. But YouTube is very complicated for you to be able to get your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hours, get monetized, get your pin. And another part of it is being able to earn money every month. Now, from my other channel, I was on the channel for 6 months before I got monetized. And for the first few months, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, I was even unable to reach $100, which was my threshold. It wasn't easy. I was basically making $5 a month, sometimes 10, sometimes 15, before I started making something which up to now, it's not what I want to be able to earn. This is our backup page, which is very important for every creator. You never know what can happen with your channel, so you need a backup page. On this channel, I want to show you how you can get your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hours in less than 3 weeks. If this is what you want, then follow up on this channel because I'm going to give you insights on everything we do to get this 1,000 subscribers and this 4,000 watch hours in less than 3 weeks. Love you all, so stay tuned. So one thing I want us to do on this particular channel is to be truthful to each other. So if you have any question, any worry, just make sure you drop it on the comment section and I'll be right there to respond to you. Now, going ahead with this video today, I want you to check the time and the date I created this channel. So we're going to be creating the Google account and the YouTube channel today. This is the first video we're going to drop here. I'm going ahead on this channel. I'm going to be telling you everything I do, and I'm going to give you the dates also that I'm doing everything to make sure that we get our 1,000 subscribers and also the 4,000 watch hours before or within 3 weeks. If you're a small YouTuber, you are highly welcome to this channel. Just make sure you communicate with those on the comment section so that you'll be able to grow your own community too. Without further ado, let's get straight into our laptop and start creating our Google account. And one thing I want you to know is you can either use your smartphone, your tablet, your laptop, your desktop, whatever you have, just use it. But for this video, we are using our laptop. Let's go. So let's go ahead to creating our Gmail account. We have here for work or business, we have for my child and for personal use. So click on personal use. You can actually choose for business if that is the reason you want to create this account for, but I'm going to go with personal use. Either of them is okay. So right here, put in your first name and your last name. To be sincere with you, I don't know actually what the name I want to use for this particular Google account or YouTube account, but I think we should put in something like this: wealth strategy, right? Let's go with wealth strategy. So right here, first name, you just type in wealth, and last name right here, you type in strategy. Now you can use whatever name you want to. You can use your name, or you can use maybe your brand name, or whatever you want to do on your YouTube channel. So you click right here on next. It's very simple. The process is simple. Right here, you just put in your month, your day, and your year of birth. And right here, you put in your gender and you click on next. Now, right here where they ask you for your email address, you can actually propose an email address, or you let Google decide an email address for you. All right. So just come below here and click on get an email address, and this is what Google is proposing for us. And let's select this one, and then you click on next. Right here, you put in a password. Now remember that your password is what holds your account. You're going to be making a lot of money from YouTube. In fact, I'm wishing you all the best for anyone who is starting up on YouTube right now, because this video you are watching will make you get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the next 3 weeks. So if you're watching me right now, congratulations in advance. So make sure that the password you put there is a password strong enough to protect your money. And don't forget, just come back to this channel and tell me thank you at the comment section, and tell me how far you've gone with your own channel as the days go by. So you type in your password right here, and below here you confirm the password. And if you're not very sure if you did the same, you can click here to show the password, and then you click on next when you're comfortable. And then right here you put in your phone number and you click on next. But before putting your phone number right here where it says country, you can actually click on it and change the country. But you're seeing the Nigerian flag right here because I am right now in Nigeria creating this account, but you can change it to your own account, put your phone number, and then you click on next. So I'm going to search for Cameroon just like so, and then I type in my number right here and I click on next. So when you click on next, a code will be sent to your number. So make sure the number you're using on this is a number that is functional, so that when you have the code, you're going to impute the code right here. You receive it as a text. So you're going to put the code right here, and then you click on next. Now, right here, you have to put a recovery email address. So if you have another email address that you use often, you can actually put the email address right here. And when you are done, you can click right here on next. But if you do not have, you can click on skip. And right here, we have our accounts, we have our phone number. Just click right here on next. And then you read through the privacy terms right here, and you scroll below to the end and you click agree. Amazing. We are done creating the Google account today. And right now, let's go to create our YouTube channel. So right here is YouTube, and if you click right here to the top right hand side where you see the W, you would see the details of YouTube. We have Google account, switch account, sign out, YouTube Studio, purchase and membership, and all the rest. Now, what you have to do right here to set up your YouTube channel is to come below here where you see YouTube Studio and you click on it. When you click on it, it's going to bring you right here where you see your name, your handle, and what you have to do is to come below here, below right hand side, and you click on create channel. It is as simple as that. Just click on create channel right here. So welcome to YouTube Studio. Just click right here on continue, and here is our YouTube Studio. So at the top left hand side, we have YouTube channel, dashboard, content, analytics, community. You can scroll below, subtitle, copyright, earn, customization. Below here, we have settings and all the rest. As you can see, the channel, analytics, 0 subscriber. Right here, last 28 days, no view, no video, no watch hours. Everything here is just new. And right below here, you can see the date that I actually created this particular channel. All right, this is what I want you guys to have in mind, the date we created this channel. So you can actually come back here to the right hand side and you click on your channel so that you can confirm that this channel is created today. So as you can see, I just clicked on videos right here and we have 0 videos right here. All right. All right, so now you know the date and the time we created this Google account and this YouTube channel. This is going to be a backup page, and I am so rooting for this channel. I've created a lot of channels for people to monetization, but I've really never put it out there that this is what I can do. So this is your own advantage to follow this video step by step. Share with your friends, with your family, anyone who is new on YouTube or who wants to create a channel and who wants to get monetized as fast as possible. Let me still pop it up here, the time we created this and the date. So looking forward to 3 weeks to getting monetization on this channel. Love you all, and until next time, stay blessed.